You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing names that are confusing and many mispronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. It's usually pronounced in English as Stacia, alright? Some may pronounce it as Stacia or Stacia. It's a name of Greek and English origin, meaning resurrection or fruitful. Stacia. Do you pronounce it any other ways? What is your pronunciation and where are you from? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.